Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting smartwatches I've had the pleasure to review, the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra. Now if you've been following the channel, you know we've already reviewed the Kospet Tank M3 Ultra, a rugged smartwatch that really impressed us with its durability and features. We even gave one away to an incredible community. Well, Kospet has taken things to a new level with the X2 Ultra, and it's safe to say this is one in a league of its own. In today's video, we'll start with an unboxing to see what's included. We'll then dive into the design and build quality, explore its fitness and sleep tracking features, and test out its durability. I'll also show you how comfortable it is to wear it all day and put a smart feature to the test, including GPS, a voice assistant, and calling functionality. By the end of the review, you'll see why this smartwatch is a game changer for anyone who leads an active lifestyle or simply wants a reliable, feature-packed wearable. Let's jump right in. And guys, again, if you wish to purchase one of these, check out the links below. I was giving away one of these smartwatches too, so check the links in the description. You can have multiple entries to be able to win. So let's start with the unboxing experience. So the unboxing experience sets a tone for what's to come. Kospet has once again delivered premium packaging, and as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with the watch itself, along with a magnetic charging cable and a quick start guide. The watch has a solid premium feel right out of the box, thanks to a stainless steel body and 3D curved glass design. It's the first smartwatch to feature this type of curved glass, giving it a sleek, modern look while maintaining its top-notch durability. The Corning Gorilla Glass ensures this display is resistant to scratches and impacts, making it perfect for everyday use. Whether you're out at the office, the gym, exploring the great outdoors, the packaging also includes a silicone strap, as you can see just here, which is sturdy and yet soft, providing a comfortable fit, and we'll talk more about that later. The Kospet Tank X2 Ultra is a masterpiece of engineering. Curved glass not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also adds an extra level of durability. Paired with a stainless steel unibody and military-grade materials, this smartwatch really is built to last. It has passed different certifications, so 15mm STD 810H certifications, which means it can withstand extreme conditions, including salt spray, rain, and impact tests. I'm just going to show you guys how we use this swimming. This is a watch that thrives in harsh environments. Whether you're hiking in the rain, swimming in the ocean, or working on a construction site, the X2 is up to the task. Despite its ruggedness, the watch is surprisingly lightweight and comfortable. And as you can see, I'll put it on my wrist just here. What I found with a lot of different smartwatches is I find them quite uncomfortable. Some of them are quite heavy, or some of them don't fit quite well. What I found with putting the Kospet Tank M3 Ultra on is it fits very, very well on my wrist. It's not heavy at all. It's very, very light. And I can use it if I'm going to bed, running, or swimming as well. So as you can see, it fits so nicely. The curved design allows it to sit snugly on the wrist, and the strap's flexibility also ensures, as you can see, it doesn't feel bulky. So even after hours of wear, it still feels fine. So whether you're typing at the desk, lifting weights at the gym, it feels natural and unobtrusive. And I actually used it at the gym, used doing Pilates, and the watch was great. So fitness enthusiasts, this is where the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra truly shines. With 170 plus sport modes, it caters to virtually every activity you can think of, from running and cycling to skiing and basketball. It even has 6 intelligent sport recognition modes, which means it can automatically detect and tracks activities like walking, running, and cycling without you having to start tracking manually. So during the test, guys, I wore it while running along Brisbane's iconic river walk and doing a high-intensity gym session. The watch's V60A2 bio-tracking optical sensor, which you can see on the back there, tracked my steps, distance, heart rate, and calories burned with impressive accuracy. And as you can see, there's it on the front screen just there where it's tracking it all. The data syncs seamlessly with the Kospet app, providing detailed insights into my performance. For anyone serious about fitness, this level of tracking is invaluable. And guys, we'll show you shortly the app and see how that all syncs together. It's not also about exercise. The X2 Ultra also excels in health monitoring, with 24-hour heart rate tracking, real-time blood oxygen monitoring, and even a stress tracker. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist, reminding you to relax when your stress levels spike and encourage you to move when sedentary for too long. So guys, getting enough rest is important as staying active, and the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra helps optimize your sleep. The actual watch itself tracks your REM stage of sleep. It also provides comprehensive analysis of your nightly rest. It even detects naps and gives you tips to improve sleep quality. So I was very impressed by how accurately it detects my sleep and wake times, as well as detailed breakdown of my sleep stages. The feature, guys, is particularly useful for anyone looking to improve their overall health and performance, whether an athlete or just trying to feel more rested during the day. So I'm going to go now through and have a look at some of the different functions that you can see. So as you can see, this is how you actually use the watch to change screens and do the different apps. Let's have a look at some of the features of the actual watch itself. So as you can see, there's a front display with the battery, the time, and heart rate monitors. Now you can change the watch face if you wish. We'll show you how to do that shortly. Let's go and have a look at the actual. So click there to go into the full menu. So you've got things like flashlight, find a phone, woman's health, and settings. And you go up. We'll go to the top actually. As you can see, it's very, very responsive as well. You go to call. So you can make and do calls on there. You press that to go back. You've got daily activities. Just going to have a look. So far what I've done today, 66 calories, 1.49 kilometers, and 2,034 steps, which is great. We press that side to go back again. Your workouts, these are the kind of workouts we can do, which I'll show you later. Heart rate. So here's a record of my heart rate. And as you can see, it's very integrated, all these different things. You've got sleep, blood pressure, so 120/78, which is pretty exact, actually. That's pretty much what my blood pressure normally is. Blood oxygen, 98%. That's looking good. Stress, so start measuring. I measured that separately. Emotion, you can record your emotion here. So you can see it's got so different things. You've got your phone there you can use to play. Compass, which we'll show you guys later. Barometer, breathing, your notifications. This is where you get your notifications for text messages. Stopwatch, alarm, timer, flashlight. That actually works really well. Find your phone and also your different settings as well. So here's the settings you can go and change to different ones. So you could display, change watch face. So you can see there's all different types you can use. I think these all look very, very nice as well. I like the first one we did though. To be honest, it's uncluttered, but looks very good. So we'll keep that. We'll go back, brightness, awake on it. Now if we go back to front menu, if you scroll up, you get all your workout records. You can see all at once. And if you scroll down, you can do your quick menus. This is where you can do quick menus for your phone. We press that and we go straight into the workout mode as well. So as you can see, a ton of different things you can do on here. Now if we go down as well, we can look at the pill swim where we did previously. So you could just go on there, press a button and start recording your workouts too. And it's got all these different types as well. So you can see weather, another thing, 26 degrees. It's literally been rainy here non-stop. Surprisingly, humidity is very close to 100%. But they are pulling this, air quality is excellent. And you also got the forecast for the next few days too. Finally some sunshine coming up. You got breathing exercises, which are really cool. Also, the 5 ATM waterproof rating means this watch can handle being submerged in water for up to 50 meters. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute how I took it to the pool to wear it for a swimming session, and you can see how it tracks the laps. So I'm about to go swimming to test out the watch in the water. So it'll be very interesting to see. It's got the swimming mode on there. So I'll come back after doing the swimming to see how it's gone. You see, I just finished the laps in 25 minutes, 608 strokes, and 1 minute 45 per 100 meters. So there you go. And it survived all that time in the water as well. A great little watch. The watch survived really well in the water as well. So a great watch to use. Performed perfectly. It's also dust-proof and resistant to extreme conditions. It's ideal, guys, for activities like hiking, diving, or even working on a construction site. The ultra-thin case design doesn't just look good as well, it also ensures maximum durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Whether you're dealing with sand, water, or impacts, this watch can handle it all. And also, guys, I've been using it for a while now, and look how clear the screen still is as well. It's actually got no scratches or bumps on it. It's great. Now, it also has a dual-core CPU. The Action's dual-core CPU makes the X2 Ultra one of the fastest smartwatches I've actually used. Navigating through menus is a breeze, and the voice assistant adds a new level of convenience. Whether you need to check the weather, set a timer, or play music, the voice assistant handles it all effortlessly. I also love how you can make calls and receive calls from the watch. The built-in speaker and microphone is surprisingly clear, making it a practical tool for quick conversations when your phone isn't within reach. Battery life is often a deal breaker for smartwatches as well, but the X2 Ultra delivers. With normal usage, you can expect 8 to 2 days of battery life, and in standby mode, it lasts an incredible 44 days. Even with heavy GPS and health tracking, I easily got through a full week without needing to charge. This kind of battery performance is perfect for anyone who's always on the go. One thing I want to have a look at now is the Kospet app. Now, the Kospet app is really good to actually manage your Bluetooth smartwatch's functions. Enables you to actually see where the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra is actually working. So I'm going to see you. So I've got the app just here, as you can see. Now if you go and have a look, you can see there it actually syncs all your health settings to start with. So you can look at your steps, distance you've taken. It looks at like your sleep data, your heart rate as well. Not too sure about how effective the heart rate is, because I wouldn't say I'm at 102 beats per minute, but it gives you a guide you can run off. Got blood pressure there, 124/78. That's pretty much exact. Blood oxygen, I reckon so that's correct as well. You got your sports mode as well. So you can see here with the sports record, this is when we went swimming earlier that you guys saw. It actually tracks the swimming on there. Now this was very effective too. So I did do 29 laps and I did do that many, so very effective for swimming. It's got the chart there as well. So not only does it track your fitness, but also gives you the ability to actually see how effective it is. So we go back through that and you can see it does open water swimming, outdoor walking. We'll track that later actually. I do a lot of outdoor walking. We go back and look at the device itself. So you can change the device settings. So you can change the device brightness, the raise to wake settings. You can do all your phone notifications on here. So it enables you to be able to track all the different functions of your watch. And again, alarm, health monitoring and stuff like that. So very effective companion to the watch. And as you can see, here's a bit more information about now you can put about your goals as well. So you can set yourself a goal to do so many steps. So what I love with this is it not only is it a smartwatch, but it's also an integrated fitness tracker that you can use, which pairs with your Kospet app as well. And it's very, very easy to set up with. The Kospet Tank X2 Ultra is a powerhouse in every sense of the word. Combines stunning design, material grade durability, and a suite of advanced features that make it perfect for fitness enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed smartwatch. Guys, as you can see, I showed you its 3D cursed glass, stainless steel body, and cutting-edge GPS and health tracking capabilities, and it really lived up to the task. It's not just a watch on your wrist, it's a fully integrated smartwatch that can deal with everything you want. And being into fitness, guys, I'm going to be using this all the time. And this hasn't actually left my wrist since I got it, so it's really great. Now, we did do the Kospet Tank M3 as well. Now, that was a great watch too, if you need a real rugged watch as well. So also check out the review of that one if you liked it. Let me know if you currently use a smartwatch, what your thoughts are. Again, you can use this on Android, iOS, anywhere. Very easy to set up, very easy to use straight out of the box. So we're also giving one of these away. So check in the links in the description to enter. A brand new one will be sent directly to you to say thank you for joining us. And we've also done a winner of the previous Kospet Tank M3 as well. So guys, really like having you, Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Check links below. And yeah, thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.